Substack tutorial for beginners, how to use Substack. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be covering a quick and basic review of Substack and how you can get started. Substack is a popular platform for writers, bloggers, and anyone who wants to create and publish content online. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to use Substack and explore the platform's features and tools. So just before we start, please consider giving me a like and let's proceed. To get started with Substack, you're going to have to create an account. To create your account, click on Sign In on the top right. Once you click on Sign In, click on Create an Account. Then you're going to create your account using your email address. Now, I am just going to dive into my interests over here. And once I go into my interests, I can click on Continue. Then you will see some recommended writers. You can continue without subscribing. Now it's time to sign up to subscribe. Enter your email address to proceed with your subscription on to Substack. Click on Get Started, and we're just going to click on Create Account, select our interests, and then click on Continue. Once we do that, we're just going to select some of the featured artists, but you can skip that as well. And then type in your email address and then click on Get Started. And once we do that, we can proceed with our sign in. So I have created my account already. So I'm just going to be logging on to Substack. Now I'm just going to open up my mailbox and go into Substack. And this is my Sign In Now tab, and I'm just going to sign in over here. Now I'm going to proceed with adding a profile picture and adding a little bit of information about myself. Substack is going to form a community, so it's really helpful when you add information about yourself. You can click on the photo icon to upload your photo, and then enter your name. Then you're going to choose the handle that you have. So Lily Davis is the handle that I want, and then I have my bio. I'm a 22-year-old amateur writer and fan. And then I'm just going to click on Continue. Now this handle is already taken, so we're going to have to come up with something a bit creative to find alternative ways to get our required handle. After that, you are going to have some suggested writers. You can skip this for now or subscribe to 3 and continue. I'm going to subscribe to these and continue. Once we've done that, we will have our Substack home. In our Substack home, we will see a home tab and then a menu bar on the top. This allows us to scroll through different types of niches. If I want to see things about culture, technology, business, politics, finance, food and drink, art and illustration. So it basically gives you a centralized hub of information. And within that hub, you will see on the top you have the option to create a post in that particular niche. Or on your right, you will also see a leaderboard. This will show you the leaderboard or the top people in that particular niche. If I click on fashion and beauty, you will see the leaderboard over here, and this will show me some of the different writings that might be enjoyable for me. Now, if I scroll down, I will have different things related to fashion and art. This is your basic home tab. In your home tab, you will have a menu on the left, which is going to allow you to scroll to different pages on Substack. You can click on the inbox over here and you will see all of your inbox items. You can also chat with other people by going into the chat option. Then you will have the activity tab and then your search tab to search for any person, publication, or topic. You can also click on the plus icon to either create a long form post or to create a short post as well. Now, within your home tab, depending on what you're interacting with, your home tab will be customized accordingly. For example, if I want to look for something related to fashion, I'm just going to search for fashion. Now, within that, it can recommend me different people, as well as posts, publications, and notes. I want to find publications, so I'm going to click on publications over here. Once I do that, I can click on the publication that I want to read. And then after that, I can click on subscribe. Once I do that, I will have a subscription, and there are different types of subscription plans. You can either subscribe as an individual to their monthly, annual, or free plan. So if I want to proceed with the free one, I can proceed with this over here. And we have Nicole's recommendations, which we can skip or proceed. After that, if you want to be added to their podcast app, you can choose to do so by clicking on the Add to Podcast app button. I'm going to skip this, and once I do that, I will just be subscribed to this particular newsletter or this particular conversation. And once I do that, I will actually have this tab for Startup Fashion, which we just subscribed to, where there is a chat function, where there is a tab for joining the community, to book a one-on-one, to view their archive and their about. Now, if you want to go back into your Substack home, you can always go back by clicking on the top left, and you can click on home on the top right over here to go back into your home page. Now, if I go into any niche, for example, again, we're going to go into the fashion and beauty niche, and I don't know what I'm looking for. So what I can do is I can go into the leaderboard and get information about who I should be subscribing to. So 5 things you should buy. This seems interesting. So I can click on the plus icon over here to subscribe, and I will see all the perks and benefits of subscribing to different plans. Most of them do have a free version where we can see that there are 2 to 3 letters per month on their free version. Then their monthly plan is $6 a month, where you have subscriber only posts and the heartwarming knowledge that you are making the newsletter possible. You can also subscribe as a group. So if you have multiple different people, they can subscribe as a group, or you can even gift a subscription to another person, which I find to be a really loving gift because you can really purchase anyone a subscription to something that they might be interested in. We're going to go with the free plan over here, and you will see some recommendations as well as subscribe for free to 3 publications. I'm going to skip this, and I'm going to skip the share now. And once we do that, we will be subscribed to this newsletter. Now in this, we have different articles which we can view, like so, or newsletters that we can view. Now if I go back, I can scroll down and also view some of the top articles and discussions. This allows you to interact with the community and find different bits of information that you normally couldn't. You can go into the chat function to start chatting, and you will see all of the different chat messages, and this is only available to paid subscribers. There are a lot of people selling items or, discussing items, talking about style and fashion tips. So a subscription to this kind of community can be really helpful as well to be able to discuss your personal fashion or to discuss whatever interests you. Now, if I scroll down, I will see different posts with the likes, comments, as well as a sharing tab. And you will also see a block icon on the left to the different newsletters that are only available for premium subscribers, though I can't access these unless I am a premium subscriber. Now I'm going to click on this newsletter here, and you will see we have different comments, and I can click on read to first read the newsletter, and then you can interact with the community within the comments tab as well. So if I go into comments over here, I can see all the comments, and you can see even comments have the ability to have replies and likes. So you can really talk about anything you liked in the newsletter, or, any particular element that you want to discuss with someone else that is interested. Then you can also become a writer on the Substack platform. Substack is not only limited to you interacting with other people, but you can actually earn on Substack. So Substack allows you to sign up as a creator, and you can go for creators on the top left, and you will see different features of Substack based upon the niche you are in. So you can become a creator and start earning on Substack as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.